In this tutorial, I'm going to go through the process of uploading our mass and our context from Rhino into Finch. So let's start here in Rhino, and let's go ahead and type in Finch to bring up our Finch plugin. We're going to first make sure down here in Advanced that we have Auto Receive Changes selected so that Finch and Rhino are able to share information back and forth. We're then going to navigate to the Project tab, and we're going to find the project that we want to work in. And then just below this, it's going to open our variants, and we're going to choose the variant we want to upload our information to. Once we're happy that this is all correct, we're going to go ahead and click Load Variant. And the first thing it's going to do is Finch is going to bring in its Finch layers. Now, the way Finch communicates and works with Rhino is by bringing in these layers, which we're then going to ascribe certain parts of our project to. For example, up here, before I had my context buildings, my trees, my terrain, and then my volume, which is the volume that I want to work with in Finch. So let's start by selecting this volume, and then let's putting this on our building mass instead. Next up, we're going to select our context buildings. We can actually select these here, context buildings, context trees, context terrain, and actually drag them down here into our custom geometry. Once we're happy that everything is on the correct layer, you're going to want to check also that your colors of your layers here in your custom geometry are the colors that you want, because Finch is also going to bring those colors across. Once we're happy that everything looks how it should, I'm going to go ahead and click Sync. And we see now that everything has been received by Finch. And simultaneously, Rhino has received our information from Finch. So directly we can see that it's separated into 13 stories and our GFA figures and the overall height of the project. Once in Finch, we can then go ahead and start ascribing programs to our layers before then jumping in and working on the floor plate.